Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to add coupons on AliExpress. Open AliExpress on your phone and go to whatever item that you want to purchase. For example, let it be this one, and now I want to proceed to checkout page. So I press Buy Now button, select which exactly item I want to purchase, then tap Continue button. And now I want to scroll down to section promo codes and tap enter. And now finally I can add my coupon right here. And do not forget to tap apply button to activate your coupon. Before adding your coupons to your order on AliExpress, you need to make sure that you know exactly when you can use your coupons. So I go back. And here I scroll down to see line which is highlighted red. So I tap this arrow. And now I see all coupons that I can apply to this item. So before using your coupons on AliExpress, you have to pay attention to two things. And the first one is minimum purchase amount. So for example, this first coupon. You can see that this coupon can be only applicable for orders more than $469. And in that case, I will get my $70 discount off. And the second thing is that all coupons have their validity term. So this exactly coupon is valid until August 27th. So yeah, that were the main points how you can add coupons on AliExpress. And if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.